First exercise. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended in a Y position, thumbs pointing up. Engage your traps and lift your arms off the ground, keeping a slight bend in the elbows. Hold the raised position for a moment, then slowly lower your arms back to the starting position. Repeat. Second exercise. Lie face down on the floor with arms extended overhead in a Y position, thumbs pointing up. Gently lift your arms off the ground, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold the position briefly at the top. Lower your arms back to the starting position. Repeat. Rest. Third exercise. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended in front of you. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor as high as possible. Reach forward with your hands as if you are trying to touch the wall in front of you. Hold the position for a few seconds, then slowly lower back to the starting position. Repeat.
Lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
Fourth exercise. Stand upright with your arms by your sides. Without bending your elbows, squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you were trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold the contraction for a moment, then slowly release to the starting position. Repeat. Rest. Fifth exercise. Begin in a push-up position with your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body to the floor while keeping your elbows flared out to the sides. Push your body back up, fully extending your arms and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Repeat. Sixth exercise. Stand with your back against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. Place your arms against the wall with elbows bent at 90 degrees. Slide your arms up while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slide your arms back down to the starting position. Repeat. Rest. Seventh exercise. Lie on your back with your legs straight and arms extended above your head. Simulate a lat pull-down motion by driving your elbows down to your sides and contracting your lats. Slowly return your arms to the starting position while maintaining tension in your lats. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, focusing on the muscle contraction throughout the movement. Eighth exercise. Bend over with a flat back, slightly bending your knees. Extend your arms towards the floor. Pull your elbows up and back, bringing your shoulder blades together. Once at the top, perform small pulsing movements, by slightly releasing and then pulling the elbows back again. After several pulses, return to the starting position and repeat. Rest. Last exercise. Lie face down on the ground with your arms extended in front of you. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, squeezing your glutes and back muscles. Hold the Superman position for a few seconds, then lower back down to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions or hold for a set time.